Every journey in life begins with the unknown. How do you prevent sudden collisions? How can you stay safe? Automotive Thermal Master. Detect lives up to 300 meters with AI. Get danger alerts.
Hi, Max. Full screen. Thermal mode. Dual spectrum mode. Fusion mode.
Control every second. Detect sudden intrusions like deer and alerts in 0.1 second, protecting life. Detects danger up to 300 meter with Thermal Master sensor and Razorix engine. Confidently face blinding high beams.
Hi, Max.
Thermal Master's warning system guides you home like a trusted navigator.
Hi, Max.
No fear of sudden light changes in tunnels. Dual cameras, dual spectrum fusion, perfectly compatible with Tesla and more. Every family trip is a joyful journey. Thermal Master safeguards your loved ones.
Wireless connection.
NV300 Max. Joy in every mile.